Uncle ko, acting up. Horses out, Pronto gets away immediately. Zen Yang is already outside. Professor Jones, Maskiri. Then comes this time, and Uncle Ko is the early trailer. Pronto, the leader by about 2.5 lengths. Zen Yang in second, racing in third. Professor Jones this time in fourth, and in fifth, Maskiri. And a long way back to Uncle Ko. As a leader, that's Pronto by about 3 lengths. Zen Yang still in second, Professor Jones in third, and in fourth this time, then followed by Maskiri and Uncle Ko still racing in last with Pronto by about 2.5 lengths, and in second remains Zen Yang trying to get closer. Professor Jones in third, Maskiri in fourth, running by the race this time, and still Pronto. Zen Yang now in second, coming closer. Maskiri now moving up to take third. Pronto. Zen Yang is on the outside. Zen Yang running on the outside. Pronto is running by the Maskiri as they come down at the last of the day. Now we have Zen Yang running by the race. Pronto. Maskiri is racing in third. Zen Yang, Pronto. Maskiri is running by the but it's still Zen Yang. Maskiri is running by the Zen Yang, Maskiri, and finally it's Zen Yang, Maskiri. Close this time, Pronto.
For your race number 5, Bayang Carrerista, ang ating unofficial winner numero 5, Zen Yang, with Mark A. Alvarez. Masasigundo yung numero 6 na si Musketeer, numero 4 na si Pronto, at